In this video you'll be shown how to change the reset switch for a Power Core E100. First you will need to unscrew the 6 screws on the deck, shown here, using a manual or electric screwdriver. Now remove the 2 screws shown here on the battery bar. You will need to move the batteries to gain access to the wires. Remove the wires around the reset switch to give you space to work. Remove the 2 wires, a red and a black, shown here. Unscrew the nut on the outside around the reset switch, shown here. You may need to use a screwdriver to start this off. Unscrew and remove the reset switch. Place the switch back into the slot, ensuring you have removed the nut on the outside first, shown here. Tighten the nut once in position. Reconnect the red and the black cables, shown here. Reposition the batteries into place and make sure they are secure. Tuck away all cables neatly. Make sure you test the switch works. Reassemble the battery bar and the deck. You have now changed your Power Core E100 reset switch.